Meet the Chigee Electromagnetic Quick-Release Cradle for BMW. Control supported display functions with BMW's Wonder Wheel, without reaching for the touchscreen. Built to work with BMW's factory communication protocol, it displays supported motorcycle data directly on your Chigee display. It connects through the factory wiring, with no cutting, splicing, or permanent modifications. It directly replaces the factory key-lock navigation prep cradle. Compatible BMW motorcycles without the factory cradle can also be upgraded. A cleaner, easier way to add a Chigee smart riding display to your BMW. No key, no extra steps. Dock the display, and the electromagnetic lock secures it automatically. When it's time to remove the display, simply press the release button, then lift it away. A dedicated lock status window lets you confirm it is securely locked at a glance. No permanent modifications. Dock it, lock it,